was the son of a pizza man, the only boy who...
My neck, my back, my pizza,
my snacks.
Yay!
Hey guys, Enzo here, SonofaPizzaMan, and today I'm here with...
It's me!
It's you!
It's me, Davey!
It's a you, a
It's a
Davey.
me, a Davey!
So today we're talking about Screamin Sicilian. If you go back to some of my older videos, I have reviewed the Boss Hog and the Mambo Italiano Screamin Sicilians, both very delicious. So this one is Mother of Meat. Mother of Meat.
Mother!
So it's got sausage, pepperoni, ham, and bacon. So it's basically the entire pig.
Right. What is it? Sausage, pepperoni, ham, bacon. Jesus. Okay, cool. Well...
So if you are not familiar with Screamin Sicilian, they are based in Wisconsin. Mm-hmm. I love them because I love a lot of things about them. I love their name, Screamin Sicilian. I love their packaging.
Packaging is good.
They have a little cutout so you can see the actual pizza where the mouth is. On the back, there's a little cutout of a little mustache you can actually cut out and wear, which is always
If
fun.
you want to.
If you want to.
Sure.
All right, so it's been 17 minutes and the pizza's out of the oven.
Have these commemorative old style pizza plates that Enzo got.
So here we go. Okay, so I'm thinking they're gonna be good. It's probably gonna be really hot.
Yeah, we
So-
just pulled this out of the oven.
So I'm gonna use a fork. Do you want a fork?
Maybe. It's okay. I got it. I'm good. I'll be fine.
All right. So let's try this mother of all meats. It's pretty tasty.
Pretty tasty. So,
The crust is... They could probably use a couple minutes in the oven, but it's fine. The crust is good. It's got a good chew, which I like.
it does remind me of like when I was a kid and I used to make frozen pizza at home and I wouldn't cook it long enough. Kind of makes me think of that.
The meat is delicious. The sauce is it's got like a sweetness to it, which is nice. But yeah, this is solid. This is good. I would definitely recommend the Mother of Meats. If you're in the freezer section, you can't decide what Screamin Sicilian to get. If you like meat, if you're an anti-vegetarian.
I feel like this is a very Chicago-y pizza.
It's
Or like a very Midwest pizza because it has this like bacon on it and sausage and cheese and everything. I was just thinking about like how is it a frozen pizza thing to have pizza that goes all the way to the edge and doesn't have that like familiar sort of barge of dough at the edge?
I think part of it is like psychological. I think if you're putting toppings all the way to the edge, you feel like you're getting more. You're not getting gypped. So, I mean, I'm a fan of crust. I love crust. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
It's a nice ending to a pizza slice.
It's also just like a very clear like it's like to me it's like a pizza handle almost, like you're just like you're dealing with this thing that you can hold on. But yeah, as far as frozen pizza goes, it's good. It's a really solid pizza. There is something about the pepperoni to me that tastes very much like frozen pizza pepperoni. It's not bad by any means. It's salty, it's delicious, but there's something about it that feels very familiar in that way that like, how like when you get like those like cubed pepperoni bits or whatever, like it has that kind of texture to it.
Yeah.
Maybe that's just something that happens when you freeze pepperoni and then reheat it. Maybe that's like something that it does.
I'm sure it gets weird,
but all in all,
it's a solid thumbs up. I would give this. I'm gonna give this a 5 messy napkins. I think.
5 messy napkins.
Yeah, it's a mess.
I guess that's accurate. I mean, yeah, it's good. It's a good pizza.
I was actually Maybe like 4.5.
Maybe 4.5.
I don't want to give a perfect 5 because there's always room for improvement.
I would say that this pizza it's really good. It's really solid. It's a totally good pizza. But I think that I have had frozen pizza that I've enjoyed more, and only because I really do want that crust on the edge. I really like having that. So I'm gonna say like 4.
Okay, that's fair.
Solid pizza, really good. Everything about it is awesome. But just like, it doesn't, like, I guess like the goal with frozen pizza is like, it's its own category, but also is like a frozen pizza supposed to be like is the challenge to try to get it to be as much like delivery or like as much like a pickup pizza as you can?
No, you have an expectation of what frozen pizza is going to be. It's not going to be like fresh.
No,
it's not going to. It's not the same. So no, it's a different level of pizza.
Right. So in that case, this is a really great pizza, and it's probably closer to a 5 or like 4.5. But I'm going to say, like, in general, as pizza goes, I'm going to say this is probably around like a 4. It's really good, really tasty, but also, give me that crust. Give me that crust. Give me that dip. Give me something to dip it in. I want ranch, garlic butter.
Thanks guys for watching. As always, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thank you. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Hit me up, say hi. And until next time.
Smell you later.
Ciao for now.
He was, oh, yes he was.